Hi students, today we are going to see about double entry bookkeeping system. It is a very important unit in the financial accounting. What is double entry system? What are the principles of double entry system and the important advantages of double entry system? These things we are going to discuss in this class. First, we should see when the double entry bookkeeping system was developed. That is, in 1494, the Italian named Luca Pacioli developed this double entry bookkeeping system. It is considered as a complete and scientific method of or scientific system of bookkeeping. That is, the system was developed by Luca Pacioli in 1494. He was an Italian. What is double entry system? Double entry system means to record a complete and scientific method of the business transactions. That is, it records the business transactions complete and scientific way. That is the double entry bookkeeping system. The business transactions are of money or money's worth. That is, it is of financial information. These business transactions are of twofold aspect. You know, twofold aspect. Every business transactions should have two things, twofold aspects. So, the twofold aspects are of, one is receiving aspect, another one is giving aspect. Here, in the double entry bookkeeping system, receiving aspect or receiving account is of debit. The giving aspect or giving account is of credit. Here, the debit is denoted or termed debtor. That is, you write DR, debtor. The credit, we have to describe creditor. We write CR. That is the main thing in the double entry bookkeeping system. Again, I have to recall, the double entry bookkeeping system means a complete and systematic record of all the business transactions into debit as well as credit. Next, we have to see what is business transactions: purchases, sales, payment of expenses, receiving of income. All these are all examples of business transactions. So, every business transactions should have twofold aspects. You see here, example, cash received from X. Here, cash received from X, it is a business transaction. In this transaction, it has two aspects. One is cash received, another one is X. The cash received, that is the first aspect. The X, it is of, he is of second aspect. It is receiving aspect, it is giving aspect. That is, cash received from X. X is a giver. We received the cash. So, cash is receiving aspect. X is of giver. So that in the double entry bookkeeping system, one aspect is of receiving, another aspect is of giving. The receiving aspect should be debited, the giving aspect should be credited. That is the main principle of double entry system. I think now you are clear. Anyhow, the basic principles of double entry system is every debit there must be a corresponding credit. That is the basic principle in the double entry system. Next, we have to see the various principles of double entry system. See one by one. The first principle of double entry bookkeeping system is it is recording the business transactions of twofold aspect. That is, it considers every business transactions should be of twofold aspects, that is twofold accounts. Then second principle, these twofold accounts are of one is receiving, another one is giving. That is the another principle of double entry bookkeeping system. Then third one is the receiving aspect and the giving aspect make a accounts. It may be at least two accounts. One should be debited, another one should be credited. So, here receiving aspect should be debited, giving aspect or account should be credited. That is the another principle in the double entry bookkeeping system. Then last one is, the important one is, in the double entry bookkeeping system, the main principle is that every debit there must be a corresponding credit. That is the basic principle of double entry bookkeeping system. These are all principles of double entry bookkeeping system. Next, we have to see the different advantages of double entry bookkeeping system. Let us see one by one. The first advantage of double entry bookkeeping system is it is a scientific system or it is a scientific method. What is scientific system or what is scientific method? In the double entry bookkeeping system, we follow some principles and rules to make a journal, to prepare a ledger. For this purpose, it is considered as a scientific system or scientific method. The second advantage is complete record of business transactions. It records entire business transactions. It gives complete record of all the business transactions. It should not omit any transactions. All the financial transactions should be properly recorded and properly maintained in the double entry bookkeeping system. That is very, very useful to the every business unit. Then third one is preparation of trial balance. The double entry bookkeeping system which gives the preparation of trial balance. You see the trial balance? Trial balance means the summary of various balances appearing in your ledger. So, double entry bookkeeping system which gives debit as well as credit, so that it is giving or helping to prepare trial balance. Next advantage, to prepare the trading and profit and loss account. You know, trading account and profit and loss account. Trading account is an account which are related with trade income and trade expenses. Profit and loss account, it is an account which is related to other general expenses and general income. All these informations regarding the purchases, regarding sales, income, expenses, all these things will be provided by our double entry bookkeeping system, so that it helps in preparation of trading account and profit and loss account. Next, to know the financial position of the every business unit. That is the main purpose of studying the financial accounting, is to show or to know the financial position. The financial position you mean, that is income statement and financial statement. These two statements prepared only through our double entry bookkeeping system. That is the advantage. Then another thing, it provides a lesser chance for mistake, fraud and errors, because it regards completely all the business transactions. There is no chance for omitting, so that it gives the lesser chance for fraud, mistake and errors. That is the another advantage. Then it is a suitable method for all the business organization. The system, it is a very simple system which has to follow all the business organizations. That is sole trader business, firm or company. These business organizations have to follow this double entry bookkeeping system. Next, the last advantage is it helps in decision making. You see, the double entry bookkeeping system which provides necessary documents, necessary information to the management, that is profit and loss account, income statement, then financial statement, balance sheet. From these two things, the management has to take several decisions for improving the activities. These are all advantages of double entry bookkeeping system.